Hey, what is up, guys? JSStorm Gamer here, and this has never happened before. You see how it's sunny? And you see how it's a big cloud right here? It's actually sun showering right now. I've never seen this before in my 13-year life. Yeah, I've never seen this before. Look at this. See the raindrops? It's coming. Not sure if you guys could pick that up, but that's raindrops. Oh, and here it goes being cloudy. Oh, and sunny again. The glare of it, But still, like a sun shower, wow. And it's like 50 degrees right now because it's like in the middle of November. But still, it's pretty dang cool. We got like super dark skies over here. Yeah. So I hope that hits us. And there's gonna be also another thing. You see that over there? It's like somewhere like, yeah, right there. I think that's gonna bring some sun showers too. So yeah, I'll post. I'll start recording if anything else goes on, but yeah, yeah, it doesn't look like much right now. Like the sun shower's like already over. Now it's just a shower. But yeah, if you guys like this video, make sure to hit that like button down below. Let's see if we could get to 5 likes. That'd be awesome. While you're at it, hit that subscribe button. It'll really mean a lot to me and my channel. And see you guys later. Bye bye. Sun shower. So the radar didn't say that a lot of rain was coming here, so yeah, I think I'm just gonna end it here. So yeah, if you guys like this video, make sure to hit that like button down below. Let's see if we can get to 5 likes. That'd be awesome. While you're at it, hit that subscribe button. It'll really mean a lot to me on my channel. And see you guys later. Bye bye.